Hi, I'm Carl, and in this video we're going to go over Unit 4 and Unit 5, or question 12 and 13 of the third section of the Orange booklet. Question 12 is about blood flow, and we're told that the speed of blood through the arterial pathway generally decreases with distance from the heart. We're told that blood has an initial speed, which we'll call U, of 0.3 meters per second, and a final speed of 0.2. It travels a distance of 0.5 meters, and we're asked to find the acceleration. So there's an equation we can use here, which is v squared equals u squared plus 2as. If we plug in our numbers, we get 0.2 squared equals 0.3 squared plus 2a, and then the distance. So simplifying this, then we get this expression. The acceleration is going to be equal to minus 0.05 meters per second squared. If it's slowing at a rate of this, that means it's slowing at a rate of positive 0.05 meters per second squared. And in this case, that gives us an answer of B. If we look at question 13, then this says, it gives us a table of different body weight to brain weight ratios, and it says from the available information it can concluded that animals with brains of equal weight are what. So we're given two options which we can rule out immediately. There's no way of knowing what the weight of the brain of the first two options could be. If we look at A and B, we're not given any weights for the overall body of the animals, so we can't work out what the weight of the brain would be. Some would be tempted to say that the house mouse and the tree shrew would have the same weight brain, but that would only be true if those two animals were the same weight, and we're not told that, so there's no way of saying that from the available information. Instead, we've got two more options, C and D, where we're given the weights of these animals. If we look at C, we've got a 1.5 kilogram tree shrew. So if we divide that weight by 40, that should be the weight of the brain of the tree shrew. Is that going to be equal to the weight of a 5 kilogram squirrel monkey? So we've got 5 kilograms, we divide that by the value for a squirrel monkey, and we can see that those aren't going to be the same. But what about if we were to look at D? I've got a 150 kilogram gorilla, and we want to divide that by 200 to get the weight of the brain. Is that going to be equal to the 450 kilogram elephant? Yes, these fractions are equivalent, and so the answer for number 13 is D. So that was questions 12 and 13 of section 3 of the Orange booklet. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.